Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix is Marcia. Now, Marcia is talking about the person over there that's calling her name on YouTube. And we know who she's referring to. She's referring to the guy. And because she did not call his name, I will not call his name either. But this is what she has to say about him. And that would be her and her boyfriend. And she's also saying that, people are saying that they complement each other because whatever, she says, then you would agree with it as well. So go ahead and catch the video to hear what Marcy has to say. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, lovelies. And hit that notification bell so that when I post, you know about it. And for all the lovelies out there that is celebrating their birthday today, happy birthday. And may this year be may this year be filled with peace, joy, happiness, and love for you. And for all my other lovelies, have yourselves a wonderful day today.
They don't have one man. Yeah, that's them. Then, so how you doing? Me doing alright. Just there watch movie and chill. You hear them say, that's the man for me. Anybody agree with me? Everything me doing agree with me. It's a way express myself. Me can't take it stuck up man them. Me ain't it. Me love man. Me any man me talk to nowadays. If them not want to look at me, every man in me date in my life as a soft man. That's why me go for make sure me go for one in a ramp. He hard working and in the ramp either. Me say if you ever catch that the little stranny one day, me not ask you. If you ever catch him, with all them the sentinel my this me and I call up my name. And I do me. If you ever catch him, you see, me not ask you. He say if you come hard further. If you come up here, I that him for do. If you think you bad, come up here. He doesn't want you to cuss him out. He doesn't want you to cuss him out. So he have me, I hope if you come. If you think you're bad, that little long pussy tongue boy, I bet you not set your foot up here. I see where you get. If you over YouTube, I behave so.
Yeah, Duppy Bat Fly.
Duppy Bat Fly? Duppy, he get him, I force me the one day. Get him Duppy Bat Fly? Oh, okay. I force me the one day. Every day me hear something new. You never hear the one before? Get him Duppy Bat Fly. Get him Duppy Bat Fly. I force me the one because I use me have to start Duppy Bat, get him Duppy Bat Fly. Okay, I force me that one day. One day. Me have to learn some Jamaican language.
Yeah. Badman language.
Oh, it's a bad man language. No, it's not I force me the one day. Me say me like him come up here.
All this time here I was thinking.
Just dirty.
Huh?
Like Duppy Bat and dirty.
No bother with it.
For almost a decade.
Me just why if you put him in a wheelchair, make him sit down and shit up himself.
He made a mockery of us.
That's all. Shit up himself and wear diaper.
We're crazy going out.
And put a duct tape over his mouth.
We'd like to think of ourselves as
Make him shit up himself.
so you see, Simon.
Nobody feel wipe up him look ass. Come out a cranny boy. You know how long we not hear that? Hello, this is nobody to play with. Me not bragger, me not boss. He's nobody to play with. I may tell you straight up. Me not talk to nobody who can defend me. I may tell you straight up. Me not chat to nobody. And if me never look good, they want to talk to me. Me not ask you. Because a hot boy. And me. And him a hard working man. And he work him job. And he work him 12 hours a day, 5 days a week. I have 2 days a week or something. And him a ramp. Let me tell you something. And him don't play. So every day me have to ask him why he's so serious. Me not ask you that all the time. Except smile. He not even smile that much. He just serious all the time. And people on a ramp. In the ramp. Never time for ramp. But the boy want to go dentist. Trust me. The boy want to go dentist. He want to go dentist to fix them teeth the back. To wear my beer pass washer with me. He need to sit down in one dentist chair. So come Hartford, I'm going to put you in one dentist chair and fix the teeth them for you. You want to go dentist to fix them teeth there. No, we reach home long time I eat my food. What you mean? What you mean so I keep your company? Where you did there? Look how long you never spend time I come home. Eh? You never spend time I come and come on go eat my food. And a chat. I'm tell you me have a meeting for do. A Zoom meeting. With my travel agent. I'm tell you my friend was coming and when time he reached me. Me just by the time I come and finish up, I will just watch a movie. Where you did there? You late. Where you was? What you mean? So where you was? Wait, so where you was when time I reach ya? Where there easy? Me fi enjoy my company. Then I company enjoy and I like saying come from Jamaica or England. I don't know what kind of. I saw a movie the shot. Oh, a series. I don't want to do a series them. Oh, that's why. Oh, yeah, I forgot to skip that. I'm not doing a series them. Because when time I do a series them, I got a bit too late. So me ask a question. Wait, me see Tina, you not got dinner. You never invited. Eh? You know, where members only there? Well, hand there. But me see some members only missing tonight. Una gonna dinner. You see how no all hypocrite are with them there. Eh? Me know Diane and me know Diane I got no dinner. Oh, you mean you get that right? Oh, of course you don't get that right. Eh? Then una gonna dinner. Una say big name in a guana. I look like una get no income tax money yet to go buy no dinner. Eras girl slick, you see. And no say a tax time, you know, and none him a come up with charity. Tax time. Me glad me not get none for get any. Oh, una no gana dinner. Me think una gana dinner to backside. I went over there name. Roast breadfruit and pigtail. You know, they can't roast some breadfruit for me. Huh?
Yeah.
You can't roast some breadfruit for me?
Yeah.
They can roast some breadfruit for me because I need some, I feel for some breadfruit for me there. But when time I have to roast some breadfruit. Roast breadfruit and I was feeling some breadfruit and ackee and saltfish, but I must say I can. No, I'm serious, I can't roast some breadfruit. I get it for me. I was feeling for some roast breadfruit and ackee and corn pork. But you look like you don't even cook like myself, yeah. I'm telling you. Yeah, members only. I see a whole heap of members only, so you look like you're gonna name. Yes, my dear. Me pass over YouTube a while ago. I must say 900 hard people gonna name. I me know say some members only over there peep. me know say some members only over there peep. Me not ask you. You watch a series all time? Me know say some members only over there. I know some members only is over there and people. Them not easy, you know. Cause me no see some of them here tonight here. Where me normally see. A Barbie shop, me no see she. Me know say she over there. Me know say she over there people in the people in living room. Me know say she over there. Me nah hacks you. Me dash you away all the time. I won't forget dash me still dash me. Me still come and said when when even when me a friend over me still count to the same way. So lie with that tape me. So lie me always me no dash you away for no man. Not a man me no dash you away for. We're gonna watch Bob Marley. When is that movie? When is that?
Friday.
Friday? Okay. We're going to watch we'll watch Bob Marley movie Friday. When him getting day off. We're gonna go watch the Bob Marley and see how it is. Both him see preview and he say no good. Me it no matter. So let's see. It's not about the base good, we just support the Jamaican thing. Me say everybody just wear them Jamaican colors to the movie. That's what's so fun about it when them say. Why are you dark curly? What you mean? Come here before and rest on the bed. Where you want it in bed we turn on for me for? You want to see me too long breast them? That not gonna work tonight. You want if you reach pan BBC and RJR and CBS? And that you want to see? You want to see them two London Bridge of fall down? And that you want to see? No want to know. My breast them long? Like a London Bridge?
No, sir.
No, sir. Me want to know if my breast them long like a London Bridge. That's what me want to know. Yes, me want to know if my breast them long like a London Bridge. He said no, but anybody else say yes. Because when you tell us say yes, me kick you off your bed. So you couldn't call say my breast them long like a London Bridge. If you answer me. Him always up with my foolishness. Only girl, me no know. Only girl must see under one different name and I me no know. But normally she's on YouTube. But she over Facebook, but me no remember which name she use over here. I which name only girl use over here, cause me no know. So some of them women up here, them black women they hide man, you know. Them have to hide man, then can't come pan phone come make man know say them man because them a hide man and then say them a big deal. And them a fear hide man. We not hide man. We go anywhere with man and something. I'm telling you. But them the documentary that was done years ago better than the movie.
That shouldn't be a problem.
It's just that we want support. That's all. Because you know say about Marley, you know say the Marley family. So we just want to go support. Although they don't need a little money. They have up money already.
You guys make it.
But you just want to go support. I understand that's about it. You just want to support. Good night. How are you? Good night. Yeah, you just want to support and see. My birthday is coming up, you know. Make sure so you don't have a little $10 $5 for give me. Else a judgment on Facebook. Una know say una have to fix up Marcia nice area. Cause you know say me gone down in a AARP. me say the people that stop call me. The people that stop send me something in a mail. When you name no where is something go? AARP? What is it? Is it AARP?
Suppose so.
What is that? The discounts in thing. Me say the people, me say every time they send me card, they sign up with AARP. Where name? Where AARP? Where they seen? Where they something name? Where they read 50? They don't stop sending you. Me say, where place? Where name? AARP? I say name? Them not stop sending me membership card. Where they something name? So you know, once you see them start sending that out, you know, you know see a whole long, you know. AARP. Me say, but hello, me here say come in the world for benefit, you know. Me here say get discount on gas. You get discount on ticket. You get discount, you get a whole heap of coop. Me no know how benefit will come because me no look for the envelope, you know. If sign up for it, you know. How much you have to pay for a month time? You don't have to pay for it after no free. It's a one-time payment. Me go look for it. Me see what envelope come with and look like one card in night. Every month they send envelope come with over at it. Membership. But me have a friend in Florida and she tell me say come with a whole heap of discount. Whole heap of discount to come with. So me say, alright. Let me see. Curly, I miss a serve voice here in the background. Oh, you mean? The most theme voice. Me must have forget milk of Valentine loving. Then I must theme voice. Hello. So you must have a few voice in here. Yeah?
Can't be somebody else.
Your feisty, it can't be somebody else. You hear what I say? It can't be somebody else. We have to go make up for your Valentine's. I thought I was the only one who received your email. Not email. Envelope in the mail. Every minute they send envelope in the mail on one card. If you sign up for it. I think it's a one-time deal. I'm going to get it because I say I work for discount. My friend tell me say I work for discount. You can get all gas station. You know what she said? Gas and coupons. All the things benefit me here. Little percentage of something. Me here say you get. Once you have it. Members only tonight. Members only. Hello, miss. No need for God dinner. The members only. You come out a members only club long time. That's why I'm not even look for you. You're a hypocrite. No, once you come out a members only club, no members only club, no over here. So I know where you do over here. That you live in Canada, you should have had dinner. Where you do over here? Where you do over here? You should have had dinner. I hold you over here and dinner go on over YouTube. What you do over here and dinner go on over YouTube? Dinner go on. You live in Canada, you know. So how you know that big dinner and yam photo? And you live in Canada. How you live in Canada? And you know why in a big foot and you know that big name. It look like say the girls that pay the little batty boy. Because normally every time she fly go to Canada, them fly go to Canada too, him not have no money for go cause Facebook no pay yet on YouTube. Because you not get your pay until tomorrow next day, then pay for the 21st and 22nd. So the old fuck and have the money, else me that Canada, chip clack clack. Old batty boy. Yeah, it look like him I get ignored. I when last he mentioned co-worker, I don't know if she fucking mention a co-worker. I look a broad face girl a PM for trace me off.